Okay, so I'm going to go over your tools in Newrow. Once you're given permission by your teacher to use your tools, you should see a bar that looks like this. There's all sorts of tools up here. So what you would just do is when you're given your whiteboard tools, this is your pointer, and you can see that it points. And then when you're done using your pointer, you just go back to the one that doesn't have that starburst thing next to it, and you can turn it off. This is your pencil. You can write with your pencil very easily. Next to that is your highlighter, and there's your highlighter. If you want to erase something, you do have an eraser here. It is a little tedious to erase like that, but you will not necessarily have the control to clear your own page. The T is your text, where you can actually write your name and type. You can make boxes or other shapes here. If you want your shape to have a different color, your colors are over here. You can choose all sorts of colors, so we can just, make boxes that color. Over here is different types of background for paper. So if we wanted to do like dots or graph paper or something like that, we could put that in as well, or quadrants in, we can put that in as well. Your teacher will have control over the whiteboard, so they will be able to see who writes what. You can see that, I can just kind of click on things and see who wrote what. But, and then they're the ones who will have the control to clear the page. And so once the page is cleared, then everything comes right off there. Make sure you use your whiteboard tools appropriately, or you will lose them. Whiteboard tools are a privilege, not a right, so make sure you're using them correctly. You're being respectful to other people's things on the whiteboard, and we'll go from there.